Okay, this is Slim Cantori from the Weather Knucklehead channel. I just went out and took a small adventure, went down past the first house, and I could feel the rain through the tops of my shoes. By the time I got to the second house, I couldn't see because my glasses were overrun with water. By the time I got to the third house, the wind was buffeting so hard, I decided that it was time to turn around and come back. So that's your weather report here from beautiful downtown Cambridge, here on the eastern shore of Maryland. Take it back to the studio.